Hi, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the first gSculpt video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about viewport navigation, viewport drawing modes, and view layout. Let's start by loading the mushroom model that comes with gSculpt. It should be found in Program Files, Bright Theory, gSculpt, Examples. The file is called mushroom.gpx. You can see that the mushroom has now appeared in our main perspective viewport. The navigation is like that found in Maya. Alt, left button and drag to rotate, Alt middle button and drag to pan, and Alt right button and drag to zoom. Let's choose the mushroom model as the current model. We use the Choose Model tool to do this, and this is available via the Choose Model button in the Scene tab. You can also use the shortcut, which is Control and Space. Now that the Choose Model tool has appeared, as indicated by the fact it's been given its own tab in the toolbar, we now click on the model to choose it. You can see that it's the current model because you can see the red wireframe and the purple vertices. We should now dismiss the Choose Model tool. Any tool in gSculpt that has a Done button can be dismissed by clicking the Done button or by using the / key, which is its shortcut. Let's experiment with the viewport drawing controls, which can be found via this button here. Click it, and the viewport drawing controls are summoned. This button toggles on and off the vertex drawing. This for wireframe. This for solid. This for smooth. Before the mushroom model was chosen as the current model, it was considered a background model. Any model visible in the viewport which is not the current model is considered a background model. There are similar controls for drawing background models found in this row here. The Background Images button toggles on and off background image drawing. This will be discussed in a later tutorial. The grid can be turned on and off using this button here. This drop down here allows you to select viewport types. We've got perspective, orthographic, and the 6 normal viewport types. Let's choose an orthographic view. And back to perspective. Now let's look at the view layout. The view layouts in gSculpt can be chosen via this drop down here. There's the current one, which is single viewport layout, quad viewport layout, and tab viewport layout. Quad viewport layout should be familiar to most people who have used 3D software before. The tab viewport layout is like a layout which is found in most modern web browsers like Firefox. In this, the different viewports are accessible via these tabs at the top. You can quickly flip between them by pressing and holding the Alt key and using the left and right cursor keys. Also, using Up and the number keys at the top of the keyboard have a similar effect. You can add a new viewport by using this button here. Let's choose an orthographic viewport and a new one will be added. A viewport can be deleted by clicking this button here. To switch between single viewport layout and quad viewport layout, use the Control W shortcut key. Thank you for following the first gSculpt video tutorial.